In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a campaign in Google Ads. To delete a campaign, it's a simple and straightforward process. Head to your Google AdSense account. Create your Google AdSense account, and if you already created, I suggest you skip ahead 30 seconds. To create it, you'll have to obtain 3 pieces of information. A credit card, a phone number, and finally, a business. A business could be a website, a YouTube channel, a Shopify account. Guys, get the idea. After creating your account, make sure that you are on Google Ads and that you are on the right account, because Google Ads will be prompted as in YouTube. You have multiple accounts, so you will have multiple Google Ads accounts, possibly. You can even get the Google Ads mobile on the app. Click on campaigns, which you can find by going to the search tab and searching campaigns. It's usually always on the home page, but if for some reason you didn't, search in the tab, write campaigns and click campaigns. Right here, you're gonna find all of your campaigns. To delete a campaign, select it. Go ahead, top right corner, click on edit, click on remove, top left corner, sorry, and then click confirm. Your campaign will be removed successfully. That's basically it, guys, for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching and goodbye.